These brake pads ruined my wheels. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Counter Steer Garage. Happy Taco Tuesday. Today, we're getting rid of these shitty brake pads that ruined my wheels. I have massive caked on iron deposits that I can't seem to get off, not with Simple Green, not with wheel cleaner. I tried 3 different kinds of wheel cleaners. I tried Dawn, I tried kind of anything. If anybody's got any suggestions for getting old brake dust off the wheels, leave a comment below. Basically, I had driven to Wicked Big Meat and back on these wheels, pulled in, went to sleep, came out, and I had this caked on, and I've been trying to get it off ever since, and it won't come off. So I don't like these brake pads. I don't think that I should have to clean my wheels every time I drive my car. Maybe if it was a race car, it'd make a little bit more sense, but it's my street car. So we are switching to my tried and true DS2500s. It's a DR21 pad shape, so it'll fit the new calipers. But they are the DS2500s, which are dusty, but it's not corrosive dust, which is nice. And then I also got a pair of new rings. So we're gonna basically have some brand new brakes added to my new brakes. So let's do it. Should be a quick swap, pads and rotors. I don't even know why I'm filming this, but I'm running out of content. So I'm just gonna film everything. So let's get this thing jacked up and get these pads and rotors swapped out. So, rotors off. These are the ones that I got with the used kit, and as you can see, they're pretty fucked. They're supposed to have slots in them, and they don't, so they're about due, I'd say. So we got new rings. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. So, got new rings, so let's replace the rings. All right, I got all new hardware too, so I thought that would work. All right, aluminum hat is all disassembled. We're gonna clean these faces up a little bit, and then we're gonna put the new rotor and new hardware. When I flip this, they're gonna fall out, aren't they? Yep. So here is the new ring. As you can see, it's got slots in it, like it should. This ring did look like this at some point. So, new rings, that's important. All right, so we got that guy in there. Now this kit comes with these curved washers, which I assume put a little bit of tension on them and helps them not squeak. A little baby torque wrench here. It says torque them to 67 to 72 inch-pounds. That seems a little weird. So we're gonna do 72. Because 67 inch-pounds? I don't know. That doesn't sound like a lot. All right, here goes nothing. That doesn't feel like a lot at all. That creeps me out just a little. Not gonna lie. Brakes should be tight as fuck. So we have a brand new rotor assembly. I guess let's go put it on the car. And now we slip in the Ferodo 2500s. Pads that I did really like. All right, this side's done. All right, Driver's side done, onto the passenger side. Let's do this one quick. So here is a closer look at the damage done to the wheels. See, this is brake dust that has bonded itself to the wheel. The orange, I guess, is rust. So the brake pad material has begun rusting. And you can see on the inside of the barrel, it's just really, really bad. And hopefully I can figure out a way to clean this up. So let's try a few things and see what we can come up with. I guess we'll start with the obvious choice, wheel cleaner. This is one of my favorites. The Meguiar's Hot Rims. Hate that name, but it's a really good wheel cleaner. So let's give it a shot. It wants us to let it sit for no longer than 30 seconds. I think we're gonna need more than 30 seconds, bud. Nope. How about we try dawn? Because at this point, fuck it. What else we got? Simple green. It's worth a try. I don't think that's gonna work either. Next try, a buddy recommended iron remover. I'm gonna destroy these wheels. Let's try that. So this, we're supposed to let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes. It's gonna turn purple and give off a smell. Let's see if that works. So the iron remover did a great job at removing the rust from the brake dust, but not the actual brake dust itself. So after about 3 hours of scrubbing with a plastic brush and Adam's iron. So after about 3 hours of scrubbing with a plastic brush and some Adam's iron remover, I got the wheel to the point where it's acceptable. There's still some brake dust in some of the pockets that I'm having trouble getting out, mostly underneath the valve stem there, just because it's a tough place to get to with the brush. And then the back in these little pockets by the spokes, they're a little tough to get to, but the wheel is a lot better than it was, and I guess is passable at this point. So I'm gonna put it on the car, I guess, and then start on the other one, but it's getting dark out, so that's it for today. I'll do the other wheel tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. Whenever I feel like it, it's fine. But in the meantime, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday. Okay, hold on, video's not over. So I had gotten to the point where I was giving up, and I had posted in the Facebook group HPDRE. What's up, guys? Hi everyone, thanks for the recommendation. And a lot of people were saying to use oven cleaner. So I got some just as like a last ditch effort, and I just did a spot. And guys, it works. So I'm gonna show you guys in real time how well this actually works, because it's crazy. I didn't even leave it on that long. I didn't have to scrub, I didn't have to do anything. I just sprayed it, left it for like a minute, and then power washed it off, and it came right off. So let's do one section here. We'll do this section inside the barrel. That's a good spot. So here's before. Looks like hell. Spray some nice coating on there. Now we're gonna wait. We'll give it a minute or so, and then we're gonna blast it with a power washer. It's not even a heavy duty power washer. It's this shitty little 1400 PSI electric power washer. But man, I spent 3 hours scrubbing yesterday when all I had to do was get oven cleaner. Well, at least this video will have a happy ending, I hope. Check it out. The inside of the barrel is now spotless. There's a few little areas that I gotta hit again. Maybe let it soak a little bit more, but man, I can't believe that worked. And I'm super happy that it worked. And I hope that maybe this helps you clean your wheels. I wasted so much time yesterday doing the other wheel, and I'm really mad about it. But could be worse, I guess. Okay, now we can end the video on a good note. Oven cleaner, who would have thought? Not me, but thank you to everybody who suggested it in HPDRE. And I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday for real this time.